Steve Mills here, and firstly, thank you for your interest in my online training program called How to Use LinkedIn to Get a Job. I've been training people in LinkedIn now for about 10 years. Most of that training's been around how to use LinkedIn to grow your business, but I do see that there's an enormous opportunity on LinkedIn to get a job. And with so many people, facing, redundancy, or they've been redundant, they're unemployed, they're struggling to get a job, they're going down the conventional route. They're registering with recruitment companies, they're searching job boards, they're doing all the stuff that everybody's doing. And they're often on LinkedIn. They know LinkedIn is the world's #1 recruitment website with over 800 million people connected worldwide and 30 million plus in the UK. They know that, but they don't really understand how to use LinkedIn. It's like, I think any form of software, you sort of use it, but you don't fully understand it. If you ask me, how good are you at using spreadsheets, Steve? I'd go, well, I'm okay. I know how to do it, but I don't do it to the level that you might. Or I might be a lot better than you, because we don't know what we don't know. And so I've created this program to really try and help you and to, I suppose, distinguish you as being different or better than your competition. Because when I use competition, and you could say, well, it's other delegates, other applicants. I'm a sales guy, I'm a marketing guy, and I want to help you to market yourself, to market your product and your service, which is you. Okay, so if I want to help you do that, then my #1 thing is to help you to market yourself in a different way to your competitors. And really, that's what this is all about. It's about setting you apart. Because if you're sending out CVs with covering letters, and that CV lands on my desk along with 200 other people's, now, how do I sort that out? To be honest, I'm probably not going to even read it in depth. I'm just going to scan it, And so my belief is you've got to be different. You've got to be different. And LinkedIn, the things that I'm going to teach you if you sign up to this program are going to help you be different. Now, normally this program would actually be £199. If you check out any of my other programs, they're all pretty much £199. Occasionally we do deals, and I'm going to do a deal on this. I'm going to make it really easy. I hope and believe I'm going to make it a total and utter no-brainer. We're going to charge £69 for this. £69. There's the dreaded VAT on top of that, but basically, if you're looking for a job, one thing you've got to do, I believe, is invest in yourself. You've got to invest time in yourself, and if you won't invest in yourself, why should anybody else invest in you? That's a really good question, I think. And so just go and invest this small amount of money. You'll be really glad you did. And I look forward to speaking to you on the other side when you're all signed up. Thank you very much for listening.